Hello friends, in previous lecture we have seen the classification of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. Today we are going to discuss about the nomenclature of aldehydes, carboxylic acids and ketones. Now as we know, there are two systems to give the names for aldehydes, carboxylic acids and ketones. First one is the common or travel system and second one is the UPAC system. Common or travel system and second one is the IUPAC system. By using these two systems, we can give the names for aldehydes, carboxylic acids and ketones in common and UPACs. First of all, we have to see the common system for aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Common system. In common system, the aldehydes and carboxylic acids are named by the source of origin of carboxylic acid from which it is obtained. Take the examples. First of all, HCHO and corresponding carboxylic acid is HCOOH. In common system, this acid is obtained from formica, that is red ant, and therefore the name is given as the formic acid. Formic acid, which is obtained from red ant, and therefore the name is given as the formic acid. And this aldehyde is obtained from formic acid, therefore this is known as the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde. The second acid is the CH3COOH. This is obtained from acetum, that is vinegar. Therefore, the name is acetic acid. Acetic acid. That is, it is obtained from vinegar. Acetum means carboxylic acid and aldehydes are named from their source of, or carboxylic acids are named from their source of origin. That is acetic acid, vinegar, acetum, and the aldehyde is CH3CHO, that is acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. The next is the CH3 single bond CH2 single bond COOH, that is the propionic acid. CH3 single bond CH2 COOH. This is propionic acid, which is obtained from propion, that is first fat, and therefore propionic acid. And the corresponding aldehyde is the propionaldehyde, CH3CH2CHO. Next one is the butyric acid, that is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH2 single bond COOH. That is butyric acid from butter, and corresponding aldehyde is the butyraldehyde. Means in common system, the aldehydes and carboxylic acids, or first of all, carboxylic acids are named from their source of origin, and on oxidation it gives corresponding aldehyde, and therefore the word is used as aldehyde. Is it clear? Now this is the common system for aldehydes and carboxylic acid. Now second important system is the IUPAC system for giving the names for aldehydes and carboxylic acids. IUPAC. In UPAC system there are certain rules how to give the names for aldehydes and corresponding carboxylic acids. Now in case of aldehydes, the suffix of the parent alkane E can be replaced by the word using the word Al. The name of, suppose, alkane, ALKANE, the suffix E can be replaced by Al. Therefore, ALKANAL. The IUPAC name of aldehyde is alkanal. And in common system, the acid suffix alkane E can be changed by oic acid. Alkane, ALKANE, can be changed by oic acid. Oic acid. Therefore, the name is alkanoic acid. alkyl acid. Alkanol is the IUPAC name of aldehyde, and alkyl acid is the IUPAC name of carboxylic acids. Means in case of aldehyde, the suffix parent alkane E can replace by Al, and in case of carboxylic acid, the suffix E can replace by oic acid by using the word oic acid. Therefore, alkanol and alkylic acid. There are certain rules. So that is the select longest continuous chain. Then it is considered the parent hydrocarbon. Then the numbering should start for both aldehydes and ketones from the functionality. That is in aldehyde functional group CHO, the carbon number is given as 1. In carboxylic acids also the carbon number 1 is given to the carboxylic acids. Now take down some examples for IUPAC system for aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Now first example is the HCHO. This is formaldehyde. Common name is the formaldehyde, but the parent hydrocarbon is the methane. Therefore, the suffix E can be replaced by Al. METHANAL, methanol. Aldehyde, carboxylic acid HCOOH. This is methane can be replaced by oic acid. Methanoic acid. METHANOIC, methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Like that, CH3 CHO. This is parent hydrocarbon is a 2 carbon is ethane. Therefore, E can be replaced by oic acid. Aldehyde. Therefore, ethanol, ETHANAL means ethane E can be replaced by Al, and the corresponding carboxylic acid is a CH3COOH. This is ethanoic. Ethane E can be replaced by oic acid. Ethanoic acid. ETHANO as ethanoic acid. Ethanol, ethanoic acid, like that. This is the some examples under the IUP system. Next example is a propionic acid, then propanol, and so on. And the select continuous longest continuous chain and so on. Take down another example. Now, in case of aromatic aldehydes and carboxylic acid, there are certain different rules. Now, when in case of aldehydes, 2CHO group is present at the ends of carbon chain, then the ending E of the alkane is retained, and the word is used as a diol, which is added to the parent aldehyde. Take down the examples. CHO single bond CHO. In this example, there are two aldehyde groups, CHO and CHO, which is attached to the ends, and therefore the parent alkane is a ethane. 2 carbon atom is ethane, ETHA, ethane. This suffix E can be retained, and the word is used as a diol. Therefore, the name of this compound is ethane diol. DIAL, ethane diol. And common name, this is a of this aldehyde is a oxaldehyde. This is IUPAC name, and common name is oxaldehyde. Now, in similar way, for the carboxylic acid also, when which contains 2 COOH group, then the word is used as a dioic acid, and the suffix E of the corresponding alkane is written as E. Take down the example. COOH, single bond COOH, which contains 2 carboxylic group, and therefore it is known as the ethanedic acid. Corresponding alkane is ethanedic, DIOIC, dioic acid, ethanedic acid. This is the IUPAC name. Now, in case of alicyclic compounds in which CHO group is directly attached to ring, then the name is used as a carbaldehyde. In case of alicyclic ring compounds. Then take down examples in alicyclic. Now this is cyclohexane, and this is a aldehyde. Therefore, the name of this compound is a cyclohexenaldehyde. Common name is cyclohexenaldehyde, and IUPAC name is a cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Cyclohexane carbaldehyde. Now, in case of carboxylic acids also, the same rule is there. Another example, carboxylic acids. Now, in this example, the common name is a cyclohexene carboxylic acid, and in IUPAC system, this is the cyclohexene carboxylic or cyclohexane carboxylic acid. Means in case of common and IUPAC system, there are different rules which we have to study. Cyclohexene carboxylic acid, this is the IUPAC name, and common name is cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. This is the common and IUPAC name for this aromatic, that is the in cyclic compound for aldehydes and carboxylic acids. Now the remaining part for the nomenclature and examples we will study in next lecture. Thank you.